I just realized the damage that was on this hood and the waves was crazy. But as you can see, I think our blocking worked really well. Because now that I got the first full wet coat on here, when I go across it, I can catch the light any which way I want. There's no ripples, there's no dings, there's no dents. And I'm really happy to see that because we put so much. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to try to come over. You see that light? I'm going to use that light and I'm going to keep coming down and dragging that light across the panel. And it'll show us any major inconsistencies. Honestly, I think we're going to be really, really good, which is great because we're not redoing it. A normal repaint is scuff and shoot, but this was traumatically smashed and wavy, and so we got it pretty decent. We're pretty pleased with that. Again, I'm wearing my mask if I sound funny because you don't want to be sucking up this stuff as it flashes off. It's nasty, nasty stuff for you. But yeah, I'm pretty stoked. I think it's going to look great. Cheers.